Hello, my name is Jesse. This is my 2009 Dodge Grand Caravan. Like most of you, I had the same problem. If you own a Dodge or Chrysler, depending on the year, and you have this type of key, doesn't matter if it's a 2-button key, 3-button key, if it's Chrysler or Dodge, if it's this style key with this style ignition, which is the wind, you probably had the same problem as me. My van was parked for almost 3 months because I didn't know what the heck happened. Nothing was working. I couldn't turn it on. The windows weren't working. Nothing was working. I took it to the dealer, and the dealer told me that I might need a computer. $2,000. They cannot communicate with the computer. But I myself knew already it was the wind. I troubleshooted it to the wind. I took off all the panels myself. They wanted to charge me extra money. And I had the same thing. Here's what I had. As you can tell, my vehicle doesn't turn on right now. It doesn't turn on. I'm messing with the key. It doesn't turn on. Nothing works. I can't put the windows down. Nothing. The only thing that pops up is that. The mileage. So I pretty much did a diagnostic on the van, and I found out that everything pretty much led to the wind. I had voltage in the fuses, so it wasn't that. I had voltage to go into the ignition switch, which is the wind, and it was working before this. And pretty much I took it to the dealer, told it to the dealer, $180 or something like that. And then from there, I told the service manager that it was the wind. He didn't believe me. They tried to charge me $2,000. They tried to replace my damn computer. I told him, no, you cannot replace my computer. I left it there for one more day, and the guy calls me back because we're going to replace the wind, and we're going to go from there. So he replaces the wind. And once again, you see how I can't start it. But I'm going to connect the wind back right now. I'm going to plug this in because I had my wind replaced, so it's a working wind. So I'm going to plug it in. And now you guys are going to see my vehicle turned on, you see? Windows work, everything works. Now the main thing about this, the reason why they wanted to replace the computer was because the computer is not able to speak. Okay? It's not able to speak to the ECU. So, for you techs out there, if you're trying to diagnose this, your OBD2 scanner will not be able to talk to the computer without the wind working properly. So please do not charge us $2,000 and then we find out it's the wind and you guys are covering it up. So once again, my name is Jesse. This is my 2009 Dodge Grand Caravan. I almost got robbed by Chrysler.